Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. Hello, all, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I did a DIY, real simple, real easy, using two mop poles, metal mop poles from the Dollar Tree, and two plastic utility holders that I cut in half. So that gave me four. I cut about 4 inches off of the utility poles and place these racks up horizontally. No, vertically instead of horizontally like they should be, to place the pole inside there. My curtain rack was falling down because the screws were not secured with um, drywall screws, and I thought this would be a great idea, and these poles are very sturdy. Not quite centered in the middle, but it's okay. They're hanging, they look good, they're not going to fall down. Quick and simple, easy process. And I did have help from my son to cut the poles, cut the ends of the poles, and then my grandson cut the utility hangers in half for me. Now they have, what do you call it, adhesive backing on them, but we placed the screws in there so that they wouldn't fall down. So it's looking good. Not quite centered because I would have centered that, but let my family do this, which is okay, and I'm pretty happy. Looks pretty good. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love to ya. We'll see you soon.